What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video I'm going to show you how to find the CD key on Steam. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Steam. After that, click on this website because this is the official website of Steam. Now after coming here, on the right side at the top you will see the option of login. Just simply log in with your email ID and password, and when you are logged in, just make sure that you have purchased some games. So if you have purchased some games, at the top on the left side of the store, you will see the option of library. Click on that library option and then select the game title. Over to the title and then right click on the title, and after that click on manage, and from there you will find the CD key. But if you don't find it, don't panic guys. Most of the games today don't have CD keys because the CD keys are very old, and in today's digital games they don't use CD key anymore. So if you find it, you can just copy and paste it, or you can use it. Or if you are not able to find the CD key, you can contact the support of Steam. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.